Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Friday, December 7th of 2018. There are a couple of morning announcements for today. Just a reminder for Mrs. Hirsch's class, you do have a nutrition presentation happening today, so they will be here this morning. And then for our December birthdays, we have a weekend birthday to celebrate. So happy birthday to Sophia Prather. So it'll be your birthday this Sunday, so have a great day. For our lunch choices, we have fish nuggets with roll, cheese pizza, and chicken Caesar salad with Cheez-Its. And today for our pause, we have 3 students from Mrs. Midget's first grade class to talk about what things you should do for MAP testing.
Okay, boys and girls, it is time for our pause, and we have some suggestions here from Mrs. Midget's first grade girls. So since we've been focusing on our MAP test, we're going to talk about some things that you can do to make sure you do the best you can.
Don't look at other people's Chromebook when they're working. Try your best. Work hard.
Those are all great suggestions. Thank you very much, girls.
Thank you very much for that advice, so I appreciate it. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Good morning, boys and girls. It's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So make sure that you're standing. Have your hand over your heart. I
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, girls, for that today. And boys and girls, let's have a great day today. So today is the last day that we'll be doing MAP testing. Next week we'll do makeups of all our MAP testing. So let's make sure we do our best job on it today. And remember, boys and girls, always, the choices are yours. You make good choices, good things happen. So everyone have a great day and a wonderful weekend.